If you want a fresh, tangy, sweet, crunchy homemade coleslaw with a creamy dressing that is also keto friendly, then you are in the right place. So get those ingredients and let's make this together. And this is everything that you will need along with the measurements. And you guys, we are going to start with prepping. Now I've already pre-measured all of the spices, and right now I am shredding the carrots. And these are thin so that I don't end up with big chunks of carrots. And up next, I washed and cut a large head of cabbage into a quarter, and that's what I'm using. And I'm chopping this up pretty fine as well, so that again, I don't end up with any large chunks in this recipe. And add this to the mixing bowl. And you guys, now that all the prep work is done, we are going to move on. Now to this cabbage, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of carrots. Look at that color, that is beautiful. And then 1 tablespoon of diced onion. And this is a sweet onion. And I'm mixing all of these ingredients together so that everything is evenly dispersed throughout this cabbage. Now I'm setting this aside to make the sauce. And I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup of mayo. And then a 1/4 cup of cream. And go ahead and give this a good stir. Now, if at any time you feel like this mixture is too thick, feel free to add more cream, which is exactly what I did. And this is the consistency that I'm looking for. Next, I'm adding 2½ tablespoons of lemon juice, and that's fresh lemon juice, 1½ tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and mix that into the sauce. Next, the sweetener. And I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of sweetener. And again, because this is your slaw, if you like it on the sweeter side, then if the 3 to 4 tablespoons is not enough, feel free to add more. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. And then lastly, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. And you guys, this sauce is now ready. I'm going to bring back this cabbage and we're going to pour this sauce into this cabbage mixture. And then give it a toss. And remember, you guys, to give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below if you've not yet joined my YouTube family. Now refrigerate this for a couple of hours just so all these ingredients can come together. And then guys, it is ready to serve and enjoy. Bon appetit.